Welcome my channel. Your Orbi RBR50 is pulsing red and your internet is dead? Don't throw it away yet. It's likely just corrupt firmware. I'm going to show you how to revive it in 10 easy steps. 1. Download the goods. Go to the Netgear support site, search for RBR50, and download the latest firmware. Unzip it so you have the .image file ready on your desktop. 2. Enable TFTP. Windows users, go to Turn Windows Features On or Off, and make sure TFTP client is checked. 3. Wired connection. Plug an Ethernet cable directly from your PC into one of the LAN ports, not the Internet port, on the Orbi. 4. Static IP. You need to talk to the router manually. Set your PC's Ethernet IP address to 192.168.1.10 and the subnet mask to 255.255.255.0. 5. The paperclip trick. Power off your Orbi. Use a paperclip to hold the reset button. 6. Power up. While still holding reset, turn the power on. Keep holding that button until the power LED starts blinking amber. 7. Open command prompt. On your PC, open CMD, type CMD in the start menu. 8. The magic command. Type TFTP I192.168.1.1 put filename .image. Pro tip. Just type TFTP I192.168.1.1 put, and then drag the firmware file into the window to autofill the path. 9. The wait. Hit enter. You'll see a transfer successful message after a minute. Do not touch it while the Orbi flashes green, it's rewriting the brain. 10. Reset to normal. Once the light turns solid white or blue, set your PC's IP settings back to obtain automatically. And that's it. Your Orbi is back from the dead. If this helped you save $300 to $400 on a new router, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech rescues. Thanks for watching.